guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Otoshebo Mama page. You can also see me on Otoshebo Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye. Hello people, good evening everybody. How you doing? This is Otoshebo Mama. How na dey my people? Also na dey fine. When I no vex, so I no dey see comment because of this app where they use, so also na dey fine. May I stand for the other side whether now they hear me safe. I'm coming. Good evening, everybody. Let me see it. Good evening, everybody. Also, now they see, now they hear me. Not be so now they see me, now they hear me. More than not there, so time don't go small. I just say me, I see one video where just they run up and down for social media. I go still play for Namona here. Una not say anything where there for social media. We must chook maths if we like. If we not like, we go throw away. We not the talk, but we go leave them for them. May they run up and down. Another person feel carry. Say they do something. I call the waka they go for social media. Now I can see one video. On another side, they use hand say they do something for this side in case when they hear some noise. This man whether they call Olamide abi Olu something kwa causa foundation. Mona no verse Olamide abi. Now they call her. Una know na way dey for Lagos. Dey for Lagos they do foundation. I can't see a video. Now I can say what did they happen between this man and Lolo? Now I go look wetin Lolo talk oh. Una know say some people first to do e not dey pay. Second to do I go dey red. I go dey red. Una know wetin make me talk for this wetin wan make me talk for this issue because of this mind na foundation in dey do. Me dey follow am. You understand? Because I dey like people where they do good thing. That make me want to talk. If na another person wetin concern me, I'm not going to even talk. I want just tell you, not just enter saga with your foundation, You understand? Omo Lagos, no enter saga with your foundation. Because as Lolo take talk, me I know who be Lolo. Me don't know the kind person where Lolo be. Most of una never know the kind of person where Lolo be. Me, I don't understand. Say, okay, this woman and that kind person. Okay, mona see you as Lolo te talking, as we take see the waiting right for them. How you go person war? Even though say the person they talk waiting you not like. As me they talk now. You know me saying everybody go like waiting I they talk oh. You know me saying everybody go like me as person since you don't see me. You know, not be that no. They don't feel like you. Okay, you go person platform. I they talk all the time. Say platform where Facebook give everybody. It's like your house. It's like your room. It's like your I don't know as I take talk on your property. Okay, person they blog. Even the person where get the news where just the rain now. She knows say more people go talk about her. Good or bad. You like her, you not like her, you want insult her. Now she bring herself come. Now she carry herself come say, Mona come see wetin I eat I don't vomit her for here. Mona come dey look her. Now the normal thing. Some blogger go carry am say they go carry am as they like. Now so you still see some, you not go even carry am, go just do am 2, 3, 4 times, you go throw away, not they do again. Everybody not be the same. Okay, you go on that person page. You go insult, not be always insult the person. You insult the whole family join now. It's not fair. It's not good. You understand? It's not good. Oluwamide abi na Oluwamade I not gonna know. Omo Lagos, face your foundation. When Lolo come out, you can't write this one now, you can't dey cry. Huh? Why you go there first? Most people now they do this thing. If una go find trouble finish, una no vessel. If una go find trouble finish, una come dey cry wey person you come give una conk for head. It's very bad. Especially this man. Now me, na person wey still dey popular for social media. You dey do your foundation. Wetin concern you concern wetin dey go on now. If you want talk put, you fit talk put. But why you go dey insult person wey dey blogger? She's a blogger. She dey present. She dey do everything. Na her platform. That one, them some people no can understand. This thing wey happen to this Lolo, so it dey happen to me for my platform. Sometimes I no dey reply, then I just block them because I no need people wey no understand. If you no understand wetin be social media, blog, all these things, not just the comment. If you see say the person dey talk wetin you no like, comot for the platform, go another place. Must you stay there? Must you comment? Some people no get head, they no get brain, they no dey understand these things. Not be everybody they take am. Person like me, I dey block well. If you just dey write rubbish, if I see say I don't fair tell you, say stop am. You not hear, I go just block you. I no need that. I need people wey understand. Say okay, this is blog. Some people when they on the blog, they put mangi, put sugar, put everything. The thing go sweet. But later you go see say wetin she talk, not be even the happen self. So my brother Mo Lagos, no carry yourself on saga. This is blogging. She dey blog and she not even dey put like joiner. She dey talk wetin dey happen for there. If you not like am, no go there. You see now, you go touch your family. Next you even carry your own. Put for there. First to do. You see as e dey pain. Now the truth me dey talk No go a platform. You not like Lolo. You not like the woman. Forget about am. Forget about the platform. If you can't carry yourself, now you can't do video. I'll play for my people. You can't do video now. You dey talk this one. It the thing pay you because your wife did there. Now so it be, my brother. Now so it be. Because like say you not go there now. This one for no come out. Now the truth. Now you go find trouble for a platform. Don't go there. Next time, person where you not like, if they do something, just kukuma come up for there. My brother, I beg. Wetin make me talk for this issue so because of say you dey do foundation where everybody like, not just I beg. You be person where me still dey follow and they like what you dey do. If na maybe na presenter, I know they talk. Wetin concern me? No just come I beg. And next time, if you see person where they blog, that they do something where you not like. Face your foundation, not just they face them, say that they block wetin you not like. Why you go talk this one? Why you go do this one? Leave them now, they get the amount. Any blogger where they blog, if you put maggi, put sugar, put wetin not supposed put, the person where get the issue, he get the right way go take draw that person, not be you where go they use I tell the watcher. Now the truth, he go feel say okay, I want sue you, you don't put life on my head. But this one now, she not dey do and now wetin dey happen, she dey carry. I don't know why I can't be say it can't be problem. Mona leave her make she dey do her thing. She's a blogger, she can do anything. It's like me. I feel say I dey carry this corner matter every blessed I go dey post am. But no. Like me, now they select wetin I dey post. If I say I know they do again this corner of a thing, I go still leave her for them. Some people they don't carry am. Every month from the time where the thing starting now, then they carry and they put on. If you go reach their wall, now only that one they just they carry. Now no matter. So I'm on Lagos. I beg, not carry your foundation because you know say na foundation person you be. Now make me I can't tell you. I quick run now, can't block you. Not carry your foundation, come put for a side saga, then go use and take do. You know now, social media. So not just come because now you go find trouble. If you not go find trouble, Lolo no go knock for your door, come say, come here, we come fight. It's the truth of the matter. All right? You know, say then they do their, you tell me, I tell you, presenter to presenter, they are doing their thing. But for you now to come out, come they do video, come they do, you not talk with it happen, now that one now tell they do the worst thing. It's what it happen. Talk and see be say, I just go there, I saw this woman. I know, you for not even do the video because see this thing for them. And you say thunder go strike am, even though say you can't burn and say not be thunder, or you say na head kick, or you say na this one, but you don't talk am, put family join her. She not fair insult you. Okay? She dey do her thing. You go on that video, go dey insult her, send message. It's bad. Most people they do, and not be only this man. Most people they do, which is very, very annoying. Person they do something you not like am. Okay, now good and fine. Come on for there. Go look for another thing. Go they watch. Must you stay there? Must you insult her? No. The answer is no. Some people they call they play victim. Now that one I not like. You know what it happen. You can't burn her. Many people come they say, oh, that one now very bad woman, very useless. Why you not talk what you go do for a platform? Eh? Not be everybody they take her. Some people they really, if you come and go bring your picture, you go design and put her for there because now you go find her trouble. Eh? She bring her come and she can't write what she want write because you find her trouble. You not go touch your family. If maybe as you do that something, you want to talk, maybe you know say some people they go say shut up your mouth or enter house. She feel not talk to you. But if you go touch what you not supposed to talk, hey, she go be now so it be brother, now so now because the thing can still pay you as long as can still touch your own picture where your wife did because I know say you love your wife so much. You get one video where you do, I know. So my brother, if you they do that kind of thing, please, not they touch another person you because if they want to touch you, they're not go ask you the way where you tell like and which one how you tell like and you like on this side, I've been on this side. You go bring out do one the way where you like. Now so it be. Now make them they talk and say if you know say better, if you know say but they pay you, not go they choke another person because that one want choke you. You go choke cat to the extent they will say suffering now. You go say no because now the way we take pain now you go take cry come out. All right, brother. Lagos. Don't carry yourself go social media, go they find trouble, go they write for bloggers something. They go do you back. That be the thing. Like say not be your picture now. Lolo for not see you. If you say I beg that one way, no, you hide the body, no bring your picture. But as your picture can't there, how you go tell and say strike am, with your family. What your family do you? Your family now they do social media. The answer is no. The family they do social media, no. Not be she they do the blogger. If you tell and say, madam, beg, enter house. What you they talk, it not make sense. Good and fine, she not go even reply you. If he block you. But doing that one to go they refer to a family is very, very bad. As a man, where you still get family. You know, say she go come for you. Now, normal thing now. If na me, na so I go still do one. First to do it, not they pay. Second to do it, I go come the rent. Now your whole bit today. So as I see the video, the thing, I come the talk say, what it can happen? Me, I go watch. My people, me I plan for now because now many of you now don't watch Lolo. Wait, me I plan for now. The man can't begin to cry for social media. Oh God, sorry, now so it be. You know, say not be everybody they take on. Some people go take and go say, okay, you say go strike your family. You know, even mind you. Why some go say no? You go give them to you back. You go carry your picture. Wait till pay you pass. You know, say everybody know say you love your wife. You go carry and not say and I make she can't do one like that. Now so it be. So more than listening.
I don't know why some people are so heartless. I don't know why some women that they are born in Nigeria and they left Nigeria and they went to overseas and start behaving like mad woman, mad people in overseas. This lady here that you are seeing on my screen that called Lolo, I don't know her from nowhere. I don't have any issue with her. She always do on her own show. She has a page called Lolo Talk Show. And suddenly, I was scrolling on my Facebook yesterday. Then I saw this. She posted my picture and my fiancé picture. That in himself, in wife, like in daughters. And the pikin where she born die. Because I don't know, maybe one user and collect followers from you.
Well, I don't know they hear my people, but he not talk what it happen. You are not understand. Why Lolo not go my make come bring her, make come write something put. Oga not be so that they judge, You go talk what it happen. I be not no say go like that, so this woman just can't do this thing. So no be say na mad woman where they follow everybody go they carry their picture come they write something put. Now you go find am trouble. The truth it dey bitter. E good make we dey talk am sometimes. So my people are not too play am too much. Maybe I go carry am put am for there because time don't go. I get another thing to do. Because I seen they judge for here. Many people they think say, what did they do this Lolo? Why you go they do this kind of thing? You know, I know say some people they sabi judge well then, especially people when not feel like am. So just carry picture, come the write something put. Una no go know say e get wetin happen, wetin you do am. So now the truth of the matter, you get wetin you do am, and I make am do am to you back. So me I just play small for Lolo because I see run come and come they do live video. People they think say Lolo na bad person. Even me say when I see a Lolo video, I can say wetin dey happen. When I go watch, Lolo come explain say na him fair come do this one. I make him carry you, come put am like this say. He go still pay you as you take use your man take cost. Okay, me I just play Lolo small.
Begging on my behalf. I don't like it. Don't beg on my behalf. You people go and beg on my behalf for what now? I just saw some of you commenting and begging one madman. For what? Do you people think I'm mad like the rest of them on this cyberspace? What is wrong now? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't touch who don't touch me. When I give you advice, it's different from touching who don't touch me. Do you understand? People I give advice and they don't want to insult me. Do you see me talk to them? No. I was led to advise them, and if they don't take the insult me, you see me reply. No. But who know anybody who insults me? If I decide to insult the person back, before you go to apologize, please reach out to me. Ask me what happened. Thousands of people have been on my page. Do you think that madman is the one that now I didn't see better people to talk to? But it was his comment that was really bad. Direct your comment to Lolo is okay. Don't direct your comment to my entire family. God punish you. Who the hell are you? Do you pay my rent? That you would direct your insult to my entire family? Are you mad? And let me tell you, I don't do juju. If you direct thunder to me, I will give you thunder, physical thunder. And that is what I gave to him now. He's coming to cyberspace to come and cry. And all of you are coming to him. Oh, God, please forgive her. Maybe he's a misinterpreter. Are you guys okay? Are you all right upstairs? Don't I have Messenger? Don't I have WhatsApp? Can't you call me before you are disgracing my enemy like that outside? Going to say you are pleading on my behalf. For what? For...
Until now here, my people, Till now here. That's why it be. Sometimes it's not good make person they judge person. Because as that man just come out, come they talk, say, this woman, I don't know what thing I do. I just go for social media. Now I can see, say, this woman, they insult they insult me, he carry picture, but he not talk what happen. It's very bad. It's very bad. Omolegos. Omolegos. They know they do like that. As a foundation, they make me even talk put. I for not even talk put. So next time, don't do such a thing. Okay? If somebody they do what you not like, come on for them. No need for you. As a foundation person where they do humanity, you don't even need to they follow us these bloggers. They do your business. They do your work. They do your work because they do our thing. Lolo na person where they blog, if they do presenter, do everything together. Okay? So now be that one, my people. As I see and the thing make me laugh. I say some people, they can play victim. They can play victim to say, but if you go look under, you go see say, why you not talk? Wait it happen. Wait till Lolo talk so and the truth. How you go cost all your family? Wait till they do you. Then they do live video. No, even though say the woman they talk wait you not like you not come up for them. Say I don't want to watch you. I bet me I go another place. Some people not be only this our brother more Lagos. Most of them, then they commit nonsense for Percy page. Insult her, insult the family, insult the children. What did they do you? It's very bad. So now be that one, my people. The thing make me laugh. I bet wanna be careful. The way wanna tell they insult people. People they do their thing. Now they get their page. Because what you know say they not do to you, not go do it to another person. It's like me now. Just on your whole platform. I'll come they insult you. You not like her now. So my people, now be that one. The thing make me laugh this evening. So I beg, Omo Lagos, face your foundation. Leave all this thing alone. Take your foundation out of this social media saga, because when in a small take they enter, you go come big. So now you fair go offend the woman. So she can't retaliate. It's normal thing. If you slap me, nobody you go tell me the way I want to slap you. If I want to give you, I feel give you double. They'll call it, why you want kill her? Why you want do this one? Now, see, take pay me. I not go ask you how you take it down. I go give you the way where I need the way where I like her. So now so it be, my people, For everybody, I beg, one of the comments where, please, you not get a platform for her. If you not like that person, just come out, salele, not watch her again. People many. So my brothers and sisters, me I live on for here. Maybe the video, if they work for them. If you now want watch all the video, now you go watch them. So where a lot of verse for your fans, now no say normal thing, a person love you. You don't know what happen. If you see say then they insult you for another place, you go try to say, oh I beg go, what it our sister do, our mama do. Please I beg go ahead. Now normal thing Lolo. So now make them fair do that one for them. You understand? So I understand you say therefore ask for you. Then if person love you, he go fair apologize for you for back before he go come ask say I don't beg for that side though. I don't know what you do, but I don't beg gan. That's so it be. So now it be that one, my people. One love, my people. Mona good night. Tomorrow is another day. Ciao, na bye bye. Mona sleep well.